Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subbers, welcome. Happy Saturday to you all. I'm out here at the bench early. I'm gonna try to record a couple of videos and get a few knickknacks done. And I'm gonna go inside, take a shower, and I'm gonna relax for the rest of the day. Um, so I don't know. I kind of feel like I look down through my videos. I kind of feel like that I already did an unboxing video on this Buick 70 GSX on this kit. I'm not sure if I did, but if I did, well, it's a reason for it being back on the bench this morning, right? So I got a lead from old Dean over at Bench Racing Garage. Dean told me that something I was looking for just might be in this kit. So I want to do a quick unboxing video on it, and we're going to search for what I'm looking for. So let's get it. Alright, so this was exactly how it was in the box, right? We got the body, and it had 2 tires in here with it. So let's see. And the lights, tail lights. So we got the tail lights here. We got 2 tires here. No name on them. And then we had 4 more here on the tree. It looks to be the same tire. Let's see. Oh, these are a little bit bigger. So yeah, I guess for this version here, that's what those 2 back tires are for. The bigger back tires. I love that body. Very nice body. Got a little bit of flash on it. The pillar here is bent. Probably some heat. Probably fix that. Got something going on right here. Got the door handles molded. Got the battery molded. I kind of hate when they do that. I already have the battery molded in. It's really not nothing of a battery, but reservoirs in there, both sides. Wipers, barely visible. Got a little dome light in there. Alright. Alright. So we got a hood here. And we got some wheel backs and car springs. Got the fence on the hood. I think this kit has 2 hoods to it. I think this is the stock hood. I love that they got the muffler system not attached, though. I like that. So we got the muffler system, drive shaft, fan and pulley belt and pulley assembly. Got some front end going on here. Rear suspension, front end. Look like we got a set of manifolds here, heads, intake, water hose, top water hose look like it. Got the GSX dash, radio, got the AC vent. It's got a Buick molded in right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. The dash, this is the top part of the dash, so the dash is two pieces, look like it. That's either the top part of the dash, or did this car come with a spoiler? Yeah, that's the spoiler. I'm thinking of like that Chevelle I'm working on. It's got the two-piece dash. Look like this your front part of your engine here. The water pump and harmonic balancer look like it at the bottom. Well, that's where it goes anyway. That's where it glues into. You got your fuel pump right here. Seats, the back of the seats. Console is molded. Back seat is molded. Door panels are molded. Plain Jane door panels. Got your chassis here. This looks similar to the Chevelle chassis that I'm working on. Looks very, very similar. Even all this, matter of fact, this is the exact. This is the exact. This is the exact chassis. Look like it. I mean, because the trunk of that Chevelle back there has all this. It's built up the same way. Even this. Yep, it looks exactly like it. Alright, so there's the seats. There's the engine and transmission. Fast route. It even has the firewall that Chevelle has. Matter of fact, where is it? Is it? No, it's not it. See, even the Chevelle has the firewall, just like this one. It's not really the same, but it's close. And that Chevelle, a Revell kit? It was a Revell kit. So, I see a lot of similarities there. Alright, so we got the 4 wheel backs here. Those other 2 wheel backs, I'm guessing, went for the street rod, I guess, if you will, version. So we got another set of coil springs, so that lets me know that the rear end got 2 different adjustments to it. And we got some mirrors, review mirrors here. We got the A-frames. Let's see, what is that? I can't make out what these are, nor this. There's a fan, steering wheel, column, brake reservoir. There's the other hood option. Nice wheels. A lot of these stock wheels don't come with. They're not all the way cut out, but these are cut out. So what should I say? Open wheels. There's a breather. This grill looks exactly like the 442, the 71 442. That's how that grill looks. Almost identical. Almost. There's your rear. There's your hood trim, the chrome piece. These are some very nice wheels too. I'm going to use these. We used to call these back in the day. They were called teardrops, if you will. These are some very, very nice wheels. I gotta use these. I have about 8 of these kits, so I get a chance to reuse them over and over again. Those are some nice wheels. I'm sorry, y'all, but I had to do it. I had to. I had to do it. It looks so good. That is a really, really, really nice wheel. I love these wheels. I remember these wheels from back in the day. They'll go good on a truck, a car, like the Monte Carlo. And these are some very, very nice wheels. See, stuff like this makes me want to build a model that these can go on. Man, those are nice. I will have to. I bet they look good with white letters too. But I will have to get rid of that bright chrome and chrome it myself. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for, if you're still watching, thank you. Transmission pan, valve covers, license plates. Those are the mirrors that go into the side mirrors. That looks like a rearview mirror. And let's see. So these are the carburetors. That's the intake for the street machine. All this is for the street machine. I'm guessing these wheels are too. And let's see. So I found it, I believe, right here. This is what I'm looking for. So I was looking for this. It's that shifter that I was telling you guys about. It's got a few different names to it. Somebody said an E shifter. I heard somebody refer to it as a shovel handle shifter. Dean told me what kind of shifter it was. I don't forgot what it was, but this is the shifter that I was looking for. So this will go in the Chevelle. I had kind of stretch build me one. Let's see how close I got to it. Oh man, it's broke. It didn't last. Godly. Oh well. Anyway, that's one part of it. I had another. I was close. So anyway, I got this one now, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and rob this kit. And that's it. Let's take a look at the decal sheet. I don't need to show you guys the instructions, but there's a decal sheet. If you see anything on here you want, let me know. I will not be using these decals here, nor the seat belts. Nice decal sheet though. It's got Buick center caps. That's all your gauges. GSX. This is a nice decal sheet. Alright, y'all. I got another video that'll be coming. It's gonna be a update on the Chevelle and some other things I want to show you guys. So, all right, y'all. I found what I'm looking for. Thank you, Dean, for the lead. I'll add this to the Chevelle. Put it over there. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's all. I'm out. I'll holler at y'all in the next video.